Okay, finally we are in an LNER Mark IV electric locomotive, and this is a dying breed because it's getting replaced by the Azuma EMU sets, which are far more energy efficient and accelerate a lot quicker. So this one is going to accelerate really slowly out of the station once we get going. And these train sets are going to be replaced either this year or next year. So in a short while, we'll see how slowly it accelerates out of St. Pancras International. Now, obviously, being a locomotive, it's only got traction on the front power cars, on the front power car, I should say. Therefore, there's not much traction and there's not much torque that the motors can put down to pull the train forward. So here we go, it's about to leave. Of course, all of the Mark IV passenger coaches have got pneumatic brakes on them, so the braking power is pretty much the same as any train, but here we go. We're accelerating very slowly. The weight of the whole train is being pulled by just one power car right at the front. But we'll reach a top speed of 125 miles per hour once we are clear out of London and into the open. So I'm really glad to have caught this service because it's so hard to ride on all these trains nowadays. Now the train we see in the background is the Azuma, the new Hitachi bullet train that seems to be used by, there we go, seems to be used by Southeastern High Speed, Great Western Railway, and I think Hull trains as well. So all the major UK train companies appear to be shifting towards the Hitachi electric or bi-mode diesel electric trains. So just a bit of history lesson. This train service used to be operated by Virgin Trains East Coast, and back in 2007 it used to be operated by GNER, which branded this service the Mallard. So they refurbished a couple of these Mark IV passenger coaches, and by the way, we can see the pantograph on the front power car. So let's just watch this train pull out of Stevenage. You can hear the cooling system spinning up in the power car. So the brakes are released, you hear the pneumatic brakes released. So once again, we can see how slowly this locomotive accelerates out of the station. Once it's on the move, it's absolutely silent in the passenger carriages because they are all unpowered. Here we can already hear how quiet it is. The only noise being the axles rolling. That's the buffet cart there. Okay, right, in the end we have what's called a driving van trailer, which is an unpowered car that the driver can use to drive the train in the reverse direction. being pushed by the power car at the rear. So as I was saying, this service used to be branded the Mallard by GNER, which was one of the best train services in the UK. Now this is the new Azuma train set, so I'm going to keep recording and hopefully we can see how fast this train moves out of the station by comparison. So back to the train that we were on. It used to be called the Mallard, serviced by GNER, and that was their pride. It was a very modern looking. It had a very modern looking interior when the service was introduced, and it was a real pleasure traveling up to Leeds in those trains back in 2007. And sadly, for those who love locomotives, they're being phased out slowly out of service in the UK, and they're slowly being replaced by these electric multiple units. So this is the Azuma, top speed 125 miles per hour. Top speed of 140 miles per hour, and a top service speed of 125 miles per hour, where in-cab signaling isn't used, such as on this line here. Okay, I believe there's a train coming to the station. Notice how much faster this Azuma accelerates. And once again, this is the Hitachi A 300 bullet train with distributed traction. And I think we're about to see a train speeding through the station. Now this is just running really slow. This is just a Great Northern unit. Okay, this train goes to Cambridge, I think.